our trip to the now Sapphire in Cancun during Hurricane Zeta. Our room was in the building 1, overlooking the swimming pool. It was very nice and spacious. The bars had top shelf drinks and were very clean, and the bartenders were excellent. The evening entertainment was always good. My favourite was the fire dancing and the pool. It was very good. The pools were large and clean and lots of fun, with the entertainment crew keeping everybody occupied. The beach showed signs of a previous storm that went through prior to our arrival and before Zeta. Lunch at our favourite beachfront restaurant was always good. The local codies would raid everything for food, but they kept everybody entertained. Dinner at our restaurants were always good, excellent service, although the menu was a little limited. The beach was nice, although it remained mostly empty. Not very many people used it, except for walking from one resort to the other. A great Cuban sandwich at our favorite beachfront restaurant. The quiet pool had lots of cabana space and excellent service from the bar. The grounds were lush and green and very well maintained. Excellent to walk around both day and night. Dining at our favorite French restaurant was really good. We'll go there again. The evening entertainment was very good, from light shows like this one all the way to karaoke. There were tons of palapas all around the pool so people could stay out of the shade if you needed to. The beach was very sandy, not very many rocks, so it was easy to get in and out of the water, and the water remained very calm for most of the trip. Sushi was available on demand every day, and it was very good. The hotel occupancy was around 70%, but it felt like it was a lot less. There was tons of space and nothing was crowded. The preferred bar was a very nice place to start before dinner. It was air-conditioned, top shelf drinks, plenty of snacks, and served breakfast in the morning if you wanted to too. Open most of the day, and the staff was excellent. The hotel staff were preparing for Hurricane Zeta. They were obviously well trained to cope with this event and made us feel very much at ease. Anything that could be blown away was tied down or put away to stop any damage that was unnecessary during the hurricane. Went in the morning to assess the damage done, and it was quite extensive. There's lots of downed trees, lots of damage to the buildings, the roofing, some of the plastic had been flying off, lots of water where it shouldn't have been, and also some seawall damage. There was lots of debris all over, but the staff worked diligently to clean everything up, and in no time had everything back up and running. They were able to feed everybody a buffet breakfast and lunch, which I thought was excellent considering we'd gone through a hurricane. Just a quick 24 hours after the storm and all the damage that you've just seen, the staff were able to get up and running and making our vacation as good as possible. I can't thank them enough for all the work that they did, and wouldn't hesitate to come back to this hotel just because of the staff. They were absolutely excellent. Our breakfast team, cream of the crop. They made every morning special. I can't thank them enough. Thank you, guys.